In 1992, a historic summit meeting took place in Rio. The event brought together powerful world leaders to discuss the planet's future. But it was a 12-year-old girl who stopped the world with a simple yet courageous speech. Her words steered thousands of people into taking action.
Coming up here today, I have no hidden agenda. I am fighting for my future. I'm only a child and I don't have all the solutions. But I want you to realize, neither do you. If you don't know how to fix it, please stop breaking it.
20 years have passed, and the speech of this young girl is as relevant today as it was back then. We've made progress, but problems still exist. Our world has changed, and this change has given us a voice. We can all express our ideas and change the world. That is why this year, as world leaders again gather in Rio to discuss and define goals for our planet, we will harness the power of technology and social media to build a global conversation about the world we want to build. World leaders and the UN are taking on the big issue, and so will we. Rio Plus Social, an event that takes place as world leaders meet for Rio Plus 20 Summit, offers a voice to everyone who wants to create a brighter future, find smarter solutions, and build a better world. We will talk about a smart, sustainable future can look like for our planet. So, what do you have to say?